Today, several Colorado Springs firefighters taking part in training geared specifically toward protecting homes during wildfires. It's an area known as the wildland urban interface. We've told you about this many times, where residential areas, they meet those wildland areas.
And when wildfires move closer to those homes, they pose even more challenges for the crews fighting them. News 5's Sam Kramer got a first-hand look.
Yeah, the Colorado Springs Fire Department says around 25% of the city's population lives inside the wildland urban interface. So when fires like Waldo Canyon push closer to those neighborhoods and businesses, it requires even more attention and different tactics.
For the last 100 years, we've suppressed those fires, so it's allowed all those fuels to build up. And then we added a different fuel into that, and that's the homes.
The Colorado Springs Fire Department training on fighting fires in the wildland urban interface, where homes meet nature.
We are addressing a spot fire.
An increasing problem and challenge in Colorado Springs because of the unknown obstacles waiting for firefighters.
There's so much information as you're driving up, you're scouting out the whole area, you're looking for hazards, you're thinking about what we need to do, you're trying to find out where the fire is and how to deal with it.
Instructors from some of the nation's most prestigious fire departments, like CAL FIRE, testing our crews on their response to a handful of hazards Wednesday, like theoretical power lines, propane tanks.
All right, we're going to get you out of here.
How?
Right now, we're going to work on that.
Where am I?
And people.
So it's not a normal forest fire type environment that we go into and we can move around freely. Now we have people coming in and out. We have people trying to get in to get their things out, and people just trying to get out because of their safety as well as the home. So it makes it challenging.
Because beyond fighting the actual fire, firefighters have to constantly analyze the values at risk, not just for the homes and families in danger, but also for themselves.
Although trees are very important and the landscape is very important, when you add structures into it, you're talking about values, you're talking about people, you're talking about life safety a lot more.
Now, the International Association of Firefighters organized this training program, which creates a consistent language and tactic plan for fire departments across the country. That way, the next time we go through Waldo Canyon or Black Forest, everyone is on the same page. Always watching out for you, Colorado Springs. Sam Kramer, News 5.